How to make money on YouTube. Making money on YouTube is possible if you create content that people want to watch and engage with. Here are some steps to follow if you want to make money on YouTube. Create a YouTube channel. Set up a YouTube account and create a channel that is focused on a specific topic or niche. Create engaging content. Create videos that are informative, entertaining, or useful to your audience. Consistency is key, so try to upload videos on a regular schedule. Build your audience, promote your videos on social media, interact with your viewers, and collaborate with other YouTubers to help grow your audience. Monetize your videos. Once you have built a substantial audience, you can monetize your videos by enabling ads or sponsorships. You can also earn money from YouTube's partner program or from affiliate marketing. Track your metrics. Monitor your YouTube analytics to see which videos are performing well and which ones are not. Use this information to improve your content and grow your audience. Be patient and persistent. Making money on YouTube takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and continue to create content that your audience enjoys. It's important to note that YouTube has strict guidelines and policies regarding content and monetization, so make sure you familiarize yourself with these guidelines before attempting to monetize your videos.